Hello. In the last lecture, we mentioned the runner is a JUnit component, JUnit 4 component used to manage test life cycles, contains the installation, calling setup the teardown method, annotated by before and after. Running the test cases method, handling exceptions, even sending notifications, and so on. Actually, the default JUnit 4 test runner is called a blocked JUnit 4 class runner, and this runner implements the JUnit 4 state test case class model. That means we our test class calls the default runner like this. Run with okay block block JUnit. This is a default um, runner provided by the JUnit 4. We can run this test class as the execution result is the same as before. And in factor, there are some another interesting runners provided in JUnit 4. We will look at this in current lectures. First, I think we need to write some source code for testing. I simply write utils class string utils. In general, the utils class will be give a private constructor method, not allowed create by new keyword directly. A simple method just compute the string length. If string is null or string trim length equals 0, will return 0. Okay. Else will return string trim left and right. This class is pretty simple, right? Then let's format it and then write the test case class. We can choose the JUnit 4. As you can see, we will use different input and get the different expected value, but only we only wanted to cover different scenario into this method. All right. Um, the string length should be 4. That equals y 4. The string utils length Java, right? And if the string contains black, both left and right, the length still is 4. Okay. If the string is null, will be 0 when null. Okay. execution this test class. Though we wrote three test cases and running successful, but it is still not cover all of the things. For example, the the string is empty at all, not null, but it's empty string. It's also is a black. Yeah. And we can keep write the more um, test case try to cover all of the scenarios, but we will found these three test cases only different in input and expected value. So we can use a runner, a parameterized um, that provided by JUnit 4. It it it, it will provide the parameter parameters help developer to save time when executions same test uh, steps or test um, only different in input and expected value or result. So let's quickly to reflect the source code by parameter runner. First, we need to introduce the parameter class. Okay, this is the first step, and I comment these three test case method. And first gives string as lateral and length. Okay, and we need to write a data provided method and annotate by parameters static collection the object. Okay, method name we can define the date provider. Return list all new object. The first is Java and length is full. Okay, and the second is Java existing black. The length is full. We can add more 0. It's now. Oh, sorry. Annotate this method by parameters name. We also have can give a name to display at the RDA like this. Index literature 0 length 1. All right. Parameter. Okay. 0. 1. This is a data provider method, and will return a list of a set of the date. The data will be passed into literature and length. For example, the Java will assign to literature and 4 will not assign to a length. We can copy a test cases method at here. Just the iterator length should be correct. Okay. And iterator length format source code. Okay. Execution this test class. You will find um, uh, we have the 4 test cases, but only different input expected. And also you can simple add another test case, more test case at the data provider method. Yeah. So now it's this is full, right? Okay. All right. It's this lecture simple used or introduced the parameterized runner. And the next lecture we will introduce another interesting runner provided by JUnit 4.